Hello everyone, thanks for watching. You're probably wondering why I'm standing here with a couple boxes and CRF 110. We have in these two boxes the BBC ATC 110 kit. Is that the way to say it? It's gotta be the way to say it. So we've got a brand new 2023 Honda CRF 110. Let's see what's in these boxes. I bought this kit about, well, it was Christmas Eve, so it takes a little bit of time to build the kit and that kind of stuff. We got her shipped. It comes in two boxes, so if you do buy this kit, don't be surprised like I was. I was wondering why I just got one little box. It didn't look like enough for all the stuff, so we will see what we get. I have no idea. We will put a picture in the video of what the end result is going to be. I'm going to build it. We'll let you guys watch. We'll do a video of how we build it, and at the very end I'll do the total cost of the build, which should be fairly expensive, I'm sure, but a lot of fun. So, some packing paper. One in a little closer look. Show them box number one. We got some stuff. We got a triple clamp for the bars, disc brake. What else do we got? Looks like the front hub, some bearings, some bolts and bushings. Let's see, we'll just move this over here. You getting it all, Log?
Yep.
Beautiful. Got some mounts for your bars. Brake cable.
This one has it all.
What else? Looks like the rear brake or front brake for the thing. Miscellaneous bolts and bushings. Axle nut. Bottom of your triple clamp. More stuff. Some more rubber grommets and stuff like that. Some more bushings. Bolts and bushings, and that's box number one. So, don't mind my sniffles, we were just out snowmobiling. So let's see what's in box number two. This box came about a week ago. Smaller box came in today. I wanted to open everything all together. This one, I'm assuming. Go back a little bit, Log, so you can see it all. Maybe check inside the box here, sir. This guy here, we are getting our chain, something aluminum, not sure what, the foot pedal, some brake pads, I'm assuming the brake disc, part of the rear hub, some packing paper. We've got the rear swing arm in chrome. I made the mistake and ordered it in chrome online. I did ask if they could do it black or red for me, but that's okay. We got her in chrome and it's gonna look good. So, what else? Looks like some oversized foot pegs. Another brake cable, another axle nut, some more brake parts, the bolts and stuff for the brake levers. Got some cool billet stuff, BBC trikes, wheel hub. Everything's piling up here. Let's see, what else do we got? Lots of goodies. New rear sprocket. Some more bling parts. Some nuts and bolts. Here's our wheel hubs. Pretty cool. Everything that they machine has BBC on it, which is very cool. And in our table room here. Put our other wheel hub. Something else. Front sprocket. Some more bolts and some packing paper. So, the only thing I don't have yet, I think, are the wheels and rims. A lot of cool parts. I'm excited to put this all together, so that bike will be transformed here shortly. I'm excited. Keep watching to see the updates. So here's a video of everything kind of opened up and out of the box. Got a couple brake discs. We've got some oversized foot pegs. We've got our rear wheel hubs. Some brake lines. Pretty cool swing arm. Triple clamp parts. Front hub. A lot of stuff has the BBC written in it. Looks super cool. The only thing I think I'm missing is the rear brake caliper. Maybe it's here, maybe it's not. I haven't seen it yet, but new sprockets, new chain, brake lines. I don't know if I said lots of bolts and accessories. Front sprocket. Let's get this put on. So if you're still watching this, I appreciate it. It's been a couple days since I made the first video. We got more parts. For some reason I thought we had everything. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. But we've got more stuff to add to the kit. I guess it would be just a lot to ship it all at once. So we keep getting things coming in, which is awesome. I have here what I could only assume to be the rear axle. Let's see if there's anything else in the box here. Cardboard and packing stuff. So let's open this up. Put it on the floor with the rest of the garbage. That definitely got some weight to it. It's going to be a pretty wide machine. And we have finally got as well our tires. 2 out of the 3 tires anyway. They come on rims by the feels, full of air. Whether they are an ITP hole shot tire or not, I'm not sure. They've got the same tread. Well, they're a version of the ITP hole shots. What's the name on these ones? Carlisle Snow Hog. Not sure if I've ever heard of them, but we got back tires. So far, the only thing I think I'm missing is the bearing carrier for the back axle. And possibly, where was it? I've only got one brake caliber, so I think we're missing one of those, but other than that, we should have just about everything, although the carrier, bearing carrier, brake caliber, and front tire. So when it comes in, we'll do a video of that as well. Let's start ripping this thing apart.